5 minutes is all it takes to change your life. Here's Motivational Minute. The beauty of nature. Today, let's appreciate the beauty of nature. Nature provides us with a sense of peace, wonder, and connection. Take time to immerse yourself in the natural world, whether it's a walk in the park, a hike in the mountains, or simply sitting in your garden. By connecting with nature, you rejuvenate your spirit, reduce stress, and gain a deeper appreciation for the world around you. Thank you for listening. I hope you can resonate this thought during the course of your day today. Until next time, stay strong and stay positive.